Welcome to the world of US Solid, a name that stands for quality and innovation. Today, we are thrilled to introduce our latest product, the US Solid electric pruning shears. As we unbox this package, you'll find a complete set of tools tailored for your gardening needs. Inside the durable and compact toolbox, we have the main unit of the electric pruning shears, 2 high-capacity rechargeable batteries, a battery charger, a tool set, and a user-friendly instructional manual. Now, let's install the battery. It's as easy as pie. Align and push until you hear a click. Press the button. That's it. Your electric pruning shears are now powered up and ready for action. Powered by a robust brushless motor, these pruning shears are more than just a pretty face. They offer exceptional performance that can make your gardening tasks a breeze, with the ability to cut branches up to 1.2 inches in diameter. These shears are perfect for pruning anything from roses to small trees. So, what are you waiting for? Experience the perfect blend of power, performance, and precision with the US Solid electric pruning shears. Your garden will thank you.